Hey, let me show you unboxing and overview of all features that you can find on the Xiaomi Sound Pocket speaker. So first of all, the quick overview of the box. As you can see, you can find some base information, the 5-watt power, true wireless stereo, 10 hours of playtime, and IP67 waterproof. That's how it looks. On the right side, we got also information about the built-in microphone, so maybe we will be able to use the Google Assistant or the Siri. So now let's go inside. Okay, so here we can find speaker, and that's how it looks. Right here we got the volume buttons, the play button, silicone stand. Right here we got the USB-C port, the power button, the Bluetooth button, indicator, and this is some kind of the glossy part. There's the rubber. Right here there's also rubber, it is not the plastic part. And here we can also find rubber. Okay, so back up to the specs, we can also find here the Bluetooth 5.4, and it looks like we got the true wireless stereo sound. So I'm not sure if this is actually option to connect two speakers, or this is just, you know, the graphic. Yeah, we can actually do this. We can connect two identical speakers models to create a smart stereo combo for even more immersive music sound. Okay, but unfortunately there's like no application right here, so we cannot actually connect them into the application, but I'm gonna pair it to my phone and I will check how it sounds. Okay, so honestly, this sounds really good. For that price, for that size, there's like a lot of bass. I like it. I really enjoy the sound that comes from the speaker. And yeah, that will be all. You know, that's like quick overview, unboxing, and checking some specs and features of this device. Thanks for watching.